Hello everyone, in today's video I'll show you on how you can identify your Fitbit model. So basically the first thing that you want to do is to head over to your Android Google Play Store, or if you're using your iOS device it could simply also work. Now you want to make sure that you have updated your application to the latest version. So if there's an update available, just simply click update. And right after, we want to head over to the actual application right here. Now you want to head over to the main home screen, which is going to be this one. And at the top corner of your screen, so it's going to be this specific icon right here. You want to click on it. And once inside this page, you have the devices tab. You want to click refresh first in order for it to actually sync and recognize your Fitbit model. And right after, it will then simply show up right here. Unfortunately, in my case, I don't have a device basically paired with my application, but it will just show up under the devices option. You can also click on it to modify the devices setting, and from there you should be good to go. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.